Imagine a world without the incessant whine of mosquitoes in your ear, that high-pitched buzz that signals an imminent bite. No more itchy red bites that drive you crazy and keep you scratching for days. Picture holidays to tropical paradises, free from the need for sticky insect repellent and the constant worry of being bitten. This is the dream, isn't it? To wipe out these pesky insects and reclaim our world from their tyranny, to enjoy the outdoors without a second thought. But what would happen if we actually succeeded in eradicating mosquitoes from our environment? Mosquitoes, despite their annoying habits, play a vital role in our ecosystems, serving as food for many creatures. Their disappearance would send ripples through the food chain, impacting a surprising number of species, from tiny fish that feed on their larvae to migratory birds that rely on them as a food source. Even humans, who often view mosquitoes as nothing more than a nuisance, would feel the effects in unexpected ways. While the eradication of mosquito-borne diseases like malaria and Zika would be a cause for celebration, the ecological consequences could be dire and far-reaching. It's a complex issue, one that requires careful consideration and a deep understanding of ecological balance. Before we fantasize about a mosquito-free world, we must understand the potential ramifications and the delicate balance of nature. Our journey into the world without mosquitoes begins with the creatures that rely on them directly for survival. Let's delve into the intricate food webs where mosquitoes play a surprisingly significant part and explore the broader implications of their absence. The most immediate impact of mosquito disappearance would be felt by the animals that eat them. These creatures have evolved over millennia to rely on mosquitoes as a primary food source, and their sudden absence would create a significant void in the food web. Fish, for instance, particularly in their larval stages, rely heavily on mosquito larvae as a food source. These larvae are not just a snack, they are a crucial part of the diet for many fish species, providing essential nutrients that support their growth and development. These larvae are abundant and nutritious, making them an easy target for a variety of fish species. Without them, young fish might struggle to find enough food, potentially leading to a decline in fish populations. Birds too would feel the loss. Many bird species, especially those that are insectivorous, depend on mosquitoes as a significant part of their diet. Many migratory birds time their journeys to coincide with mosquito breeding seasons. This synchronization ensures that they have a plentiful food supply during their long and energy-intensive migrations. These birds gorge themselves on the protein-rich insects, fueling their long flights. The energy they gain from consuming mosquitoes is vital for their survival and reproductive success. Without this readily available food source, their chances of survival could be significantly reduced. The impact would be felt not just by individual birds but by entire populations, potentially leading to declines in bird numbers. Bats, amphibians, and even other insects all include mosquitoes in their diets. These creatures play a crucial role in controlling mosquito populations, and their diets are intricately linked to the presence of these insects. The disappearance of this one insect could trigger a domino effect, impacting populations up and down the food chain. The loss of mosquitoes would reverberate through the ecosystem, affecting a wide range of species. The intricate web of life, finely balanced over millennia, could unravel with unforeseen consequences. Each species plays a role in maintaining the health and stability of the ecosystem. While the loss of mosquitoes might seem beneficial at first glance, it's crucial to remember that ecosystems are interconnected. The removal of one species can have cascading effects that disrupt the entire system. The removal of one species, even a seemingly insignificant one, can have far-reaching consequences. The balance of nature is delicate, and every species has its place and purpose. Let's explore another often overlooked aspect of mosquitoes, their role in pollination. While they are often seen as pests, mosquitoes also contribute to the pollination of various plants, playing a part in the reproductive cycle of many species. While not as well known for their pollination activities as bees or butterflies, mosquitoes do contribute to the process. Their role, though often overlooked, is quite significant in maintaining the balance of various ecosystems. Male mosquitoes, unlike their blood-sucking female counterparts, feed on nectar. This feeding behavior is crucial as it positions them as inadvertent pollinators. As they flit from flower to flower, they inadvertently transfer pollen, aiding in plant reproduction. This seemingly small act has a ripple effect on the environment. This role is particularly crucial in certain ecosystems, especially in wetlands and bogs where mosquitoes thrive. These areas are often teeming with life and depend on the delicate balance maintained by all their inhabitants. These habitats are home to numerous plant species that rely on mosquitoes for pollination. Without these tiny pollinators, many plants would struggle to reproduce, leading to a decline in plant diversity. The disappearance of mosquitoes could lead to a decline in these plants, further disrupting the ecosystem. This disruption could have cascading effects, impacting other species that depend on these plants for food and shelter. The interconnectedness of nature becomes even more apparent when we consider the role of mosquitoes in pollination. Every species, no matter how small or seemingly insignificant, plays a part in the larger web of life. It's a reminder that even the most disliked creatures can have a positive impact on our world. Mosquitoes, often seen as mere pests, are actually vital to the health of many ecosystems. This brings us to the broader concept of biodiversity and the importance of every species. Biodiversity ensures resilience and adaptability in nature, allowing ecosystems to thrive even in the face of challenges. In the next section, we'll delve deeper into the concept of biodiversity and what the loss of mosquitoes could mean for the delicate balance of our planet. Understanding this balance is key to appreciating the intricate connections that sustain life on Earth.